Hello everyone, this is Sunanda Christy Kumari from Computer Science and Design second year, and I am here to explain the topic of Banker's algorithm with a problem. So this problem asks us to solve the resources, need, and find the process from P0 to P4. So first we have to find the resource resource for this problem. So for finding the resource, we use the following formula of allocation plus available. So according to this, the A of this available is added to the allocation of this whole process of P1, P0 to P4. So if we add all of it, we'll get and they're adding it, we'll get the first one as 9, and then we'll go with the second one. Which would be 13. So as we solve the resources, we will finally get the answer as 9, 1, 3, 1, 0, double 1. So in this question, next we are needed to solve the need of the processes. So the formula for need is max minus allocation. So as we subtract the max from the subtract max from allocation, we will get the following need as 2, 0, double 1 for the first P0, and then 0, 6, 5, 0 for P1, double 1, 0, 2 for P2, 1, 0, 2, 0 for P3, and P4, 1 should be 4. So this would be the need for the following processes. And the next statement they are asking us to solve to get the safe state for the following processes. To get the safe state, we have to check if the available is greater than the need. If the available is greater than the need, we have to update that, and then we have to proceed to the next process. If it is not, then we can directly skip for the next process. According to this, in this P0, 3, 2, double 1 is greater than or equal to 2, 0, double 1. As it is true, we will be updating this, and the following will be updated as 3, should be 4, and as it is greater than this, the following number is updated, and the updated value would be 8, 10, 99 plus 0, 2, 1, 2, and hence the final output would be updated value would be 8, 12, 10, and 9. And then, as we have skipped the process 1 because of the comparativity, now we have to again go back to that process which we have missed, and then we will be continuing with P1. And hence P1 would be this updated value would be used, and hence 8, 12, 10, 11 is compared with 0, 6, 5, 0. And again, as this is greater than the value given, it is updated, and the updated value would be 9, 13, 10, and 9. And hence, if you have to check whether the following output you have gained is correct or not, you can check the final value